Hi, hello Kamax. Good morning. So today is Saturday, November 4, 2023. So those riders nga ni-request nga dili sila available magpa-ID during weekdays. So here we go guys, your wish granted. So as of today, available ang ato ang TIG ID up to taman hapon. So please take advantage to grab it now because wata kay baw kung kanus kanang dili sila available. But as of now, it's just to inform you basin sa mga drivers nga weekdays, weekend lang available, so you can visit sa office now. Dili ra ka picturean, makuha ra po dayon karon dayon. Okay? Thank you. Unya, never leave your kanang driver license ha sa mga asa-asa. Much better nga maximum ID mong ibilin kay just in case mabilin. Wala rin problema. Kontra sa mong driver license ibilin, unya na checkpoint sa unahan, magka-problema ta. This is your 1 minute update. Bye for now.